Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator for Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use your Google Authenticator for Facebook, you just simply have to open your Authenticator application at first. Then after that, just simply tap into this add a code option, and then you will get two options. Just simply select any of the option which is suitable for you. I'm choosing this enter a setup key option. And after tapping into there, it will ask for your account name, which I will name Facebook. And after that, you just simply have to paste the key. Now, where do you get the key for Facebook? In order to get the key, you just simply have to open your Facebook, and into there just simply go to password and security and select two-factor authentication. Now you will get the option of use authentication app into here. Just simply tap into that option, and then as you can see here, you can get QR code and authentication code at same place. Now just simply copy this code into here, and after that you just simply have to go back here and tap into this your key option. Now just simply enter the key that was mentioned there and click to add option, and then this code will be generated into here. Now you just simply have to copy the code into clipboard, then after that go back. Now you just simply have to tap into continue, and then put the confirmation code that was showing into the Google Authenticator. This way you can easily use Google Authenticator for Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.